So many people so many people don't have a laptop and they're looking for ways to make money online. So in this video, I present to you 11 ways that you can make money online using your phone. But before we get into that, if you're interested in videos that you can learn ways to make money online, do have to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. Let's go. So there are timestamps in the description and my comment below the video. Those timestamps can help you navigate the video faster. So if you want to watch the video, if there's a particular section of the video you want to watch, just click on that timestamp. Before we get into the top 11 ways that you can make money online using your phone, I want to quickly announce that I'll be making videos now only during the weekend, starting on Fridays, Saturday, and Sunday. For Fridays, it will be strictly for KDP videos, Kindle Direct Publishing. For Saturday, it's gonna be different ways that you can make money online. And on Sundays will be for print on demand videos, like the top 5 niches of the week. So let's get into this video. So declutter, as you can see right here, is one of the ways that you can make money online by selling your old stuff. And so you can use this app to sell tech and media like cell phones, games, DVDs, CDs, and books. And it offers free shipping on all orders and speedy next day payments for the items you sell. Other websites that you can use to sell your clothing are Poshmark, Poshmark and Let Go. So the second way that you can use your phone to make money online is by trading in your old stuff on Amazon. So Amazon has a great trading program that lets you sell in tech items like Amazon devices, video games, phones, accessories, and more. If your item is eligible, you will receive an immediate offer for an Amazon gift card or promotional gift towards the purchase of a new device. The third way that you can make money online using a phone is by using an investment app. So the apps like Betterment, Acorns, Robinhood, they help you invest and you just let your money sit there and it grows. So what better way to make money online than investing if you have the money for it? The third way or the fourth way to make money online using your phone is by selling your data. By selling your data, I mean just allow a device track what you do. So Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel tracks and records how you use your phone, giving the company the valuable market research data they need. So when you sign up, as you see right here, you'll receive $50 in points for gift cards, monthly $10,000 sweepstake entries, and instant win game tokens. The fifth way is by being a user testing participant. So you can earn $4 for a 5-minute user test and $10 for a 20-minute user test. For live interviews, you can earn anywhere from $30 to $120. All you need to do is sign up and user testing will match you to relevant products and you start testing them. That's all, guys. The sixth way to make money online using your phone is by filling out surveys. I'm not a fan of filling out surveys, but if you are, by all means, start filling out surveys. So apps like Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, all of them reward you for taking surveys as well as other activities like watching video, playing games, and reading emails. Then you get paid in cash and also receive perks in form of coupons and cashback for online shopping. The seventh way you can make money online using your phone is by selling your photos. So FOAP right here is a free website that you can sell and resell your photo. Photos sell like $10 and you can keep half the sale as $5. And once you set up your portfolio, you can submit your snaps and start selling as soon as possible. Then you receive cash for it. The eighth way that you can make money online using your phone is by running a Shopify store from your phone or any other e-commerce store from your phone. So if you have a store that you want to that you're selling things on there, you can have a mobile app that you can control your sales. You look at your sales and see how well your business is doing from your phone. So Shopify is one of those apps that you can use so you can run your e-commerce business on your phone. As you can see right here, it shows your daily sales and other features that you can use right there. Next, number 9 is by earning rewards for playing games. So I noted that so many people who love playing games, and a website like this, Miss Play, is on your Google Play. You can download it and start playing games and receiving money for it. So in Miss Play, you play and level up in games to earn units. Then you can redeem these units for gift cards to companies like iTunes, Amazon, and Best Buy. So the 10th way to make money online using your phone is by walking. So we walk every day, so why not get paid for it, guys? So Sweatcoin is a handy app capable of converting each step you take into sweat coins. And while you can withdraw the coins to your bank account, you can save them and convert them into goods and services. Rewards range from audiobooks to athletic wear to headphones and technology. The 11th and last way to make money online is by earning while protecting the environment. So this app, as you can see, is for the App Store. That's Apple App Store, and it wants me to download Save You or Mac App Store. So Clean Space is a fantastic app that offers freebies and discounts to people who protect themselves and the environment. The apps work with the Clean Space Tag, a tool that links to your phone via Bluetooth and monitors the level of carbon monoxide around you. Every mile you run, cycle, walk, the app offers freebies and discounts, and the app can intelligently figure out how well you're getting around just by checking the immediate environment around you. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 11 ways that you can make money online using your phone. So why not pull up your phone right now and start making money as soon as possible? If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about prenup, Timon and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.